It's fascinating how our cells switch between these metabolic pathways, adapting to varying oxygen levels to ensure survival. Understanding these processes not only underscores the importance of oxygen in energy production, but also illustrates the remarkable adaptability of cellular mechanisms. As we move forward, we'll explore the pivotal role of cellular respiration in sustaining life itself. Cellular respiration is indispensable for all living organisms. It is the process that converts nutrients into energy, essential for every aspect of life. Think of it as the engine that powers growth, repair, and maintenance in cells.